Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RWLK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I clearly have a cold, so I appreciate your patience with my voice. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days, Thursday and Friday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price definitely made a nice movement when you consider where it was at its low points, and then all of a sudden, where it closed up around that area. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at the 25-cent mark. Why is 25 cents important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 25. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this instance? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying that phrase progress as 25 cents. What about levels of resistance? Main level of resistance going into next week is going to be that purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. In the event the price can't break up through there, the next key overarching level would be the pink line, which is the 200-period simple moving average. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today. Great way to close out the week. We'll see if the polls can build upon this momentum next week.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.